Nvidia price prediction for 2025 according to some top analysts. So, guys, I'm gonna get directly to the point, not waste any time. So, here's the thing they are trying to tell, like Nvidia project shares of Wall Street's forecast projects shares of Nvidia to be trading $137.50 based on the projected EPS of $2.75 and price of earnings PE ratio of 50. The best case scenario of $192.50 per share and the worst case scenario of $82.50. So for 2025, $82 can be the worst case, and 190, like almost $200, means the stock will not perform so good. If I'm honestly, if I have to go with this kind of prediction. But here we go. Look at this here. In 2025, you're seeing here with the revenue, of course, you're seeing here the price target, of course, $121. Okay, and now in 2026, 168. So this, if I have to go with this, honestly, it's literally like a slow moving stock. It means the company slowed down its pace, in order to sell their chips or whatever business they're doing. Of course, everything went honestly super, super slow. But how Nvidia's next 5 years could play out, not gonna go in details, but I'm gonna give you some rough idea here. In 2025, they're expecting $192 to $82, the lowest. In 2026, the high-end price goes $268. The lowest goes $114, which is trading right now $114. That is way too less for 2026. 2027, $310.80, and the lowest is $133. 2028 will be $369, and the lowest will be $158. So, and finally comes 2029, $430, and the lowest comes to $184. So, and if you really have to go with the 2030, in 2030, some of the analysts, they are rating the stock, Nvidia stock, can be priced even at $700 in 2030. But that's way too far compared to now. That's 5 years from now, almost 5 years from now, and that is crazy. Just $700. So I don't think so. Nvidia will really reach to $700. But if it keeps on performing good and in the interest rates just coming down by the Fed, of course, the market will be acting so on a positive side, and Nvidia can also touch $1,000 by 2030. But we never know what will happen around the world, what kind of inflation will come up, and what will honestly give. They are giving these kind of predictions based only on one thing. So let me go to the charts right here. They are giving this based only on one thing. They're counting with all the scenarios. Inflation can go up, come down, or the war can happen. Based on this, they are telling, but they're not really telling you on a clear basis it'll be $1,000 or $2,000 or whatever by 2030. But if I have to go on a daily chart here, look at here. Nvidia is on a downtrend right here, trying to come down to $109 and make it a nice bounce back on the uptrend pattern. This is overall on a daily chart. It's going on an uptrend pattern. And do we have to worry about this? No, because this is absolutely going normal. But I think so on a very slow pace, Nvidia could break that $143 all-time high. Now, guys, if you want to invest in Nvidia, I know a lot of people said, of course, this is the cheapest price and you can get in, and this is the train, you don't want to miss it. Of course, this is a guess game because it's not only about the stock, it's not only about the company, it's also about how the market is performing, honestly, and how the world news is influencing the stock market. This is purely based on the things happening around the world or things happening happening in the United States, or the inflation, or how the economy is really running. No matter how the earnings are good, still, when it comes down to the economy of US, honestly, it will affect a lot. All entire stock market will get affected in a very, very bad way. So keep that in mind, that you might be considering that this might be the cheapest price. Okay, you can just keep buying. I got nothing. But keep again in mind that when it comes to any economic data from the United States, that the US GDP or whatever got affected, so the stock will never perform honestly good, no matter what, no matter how good the results are, how good the earnings are, the stock will never ever perform good. Guys, you can join the, if you want, you can join the group. We trade there every single day, day trade, swing trade, and the long term. Traded this, made $224,000 in one single trade. So look at here. Hi everybody, I was skeptical first about making 100K from 1,000, but now I believe more than 100% gain in one stock in one day. So this guy started with 100 and exactly he started with $1,000. Now he doubled his account, and in one day he made $1,000. So guys, even you can come, you can do. Members are trading, they are making money. But again, if the market is honestly bad, I tell them not to lose money. So I tell them when to go to trade, when not to, because we are not here to lose money. It's better to be zero on that day rather than losing a lot of money. So you can come down, you can come and join the group. The link is down in the description. You can join. Believe me, you're going to love it. You will not regret. The moment you join, believe me, you'll have trades every single day. You can take the trades. I will show you exactly when to buy, when to sell. You can put the limit order and buy, sell, and make the profit, and just be happy, guys. Try it out. If you don't like, you can just walk away. Give it a chance. Believe me, it's a chance for you to make money, and the group will be closed very soon. And take advantage of that. There are limited seats, and the group will be closed permanently. Means there'll be no new members allowed in the group for this criteria. So thank you so much, guys, and probably see you in the next video. So Nvidia overall, you saw the price targets, predictions. This is basically purely upon how the market will perform. If you really have to think how the stock will perform, how the company will perform, then the stock price should be almost around $3,000 to $4,000 by 2030. But that's not justified as based on the company. It's also based on the economy, on the inflation, everything based on this. So don't forget to subscribe, guys. Making these videos for you so you can have some knowledge and get good out of it. Thank you so much. Probably see you in the next video, and enjoy the rest of the day. Bye-bye.